Hello guys, welcome to day 11 of my full body mindful yoga practice. This class has been specifically designed to release any stress and stiffness in the body. So whether you are new to yoga or have been practicing for years, this class is all about tuning into your body and honoring where you are. All you need for this practice today is your mat and yourself. Alright, let's get started. We will get started by coming into cross-legged position, Sukhasana. Just close your eyes for a while, come back to yourself, recentering your body and mind. And now slowly and gently start to circle your neck, releasing any stiffness and tension from the cervical spine. One more time on the side. And now reverse. One more time on the side. And slowly bring your head back to center. With your right hand, grab the left ear. Pull the head closer to the right shoulder, extend the left arm to the side and hold. Now release, go on to the other side, left hand and right ear. Slowly release. Place the right hand down, left hand goes up and overhead. If you feel more open, just place your forearm down. Keep stretching the side of the body. Try to look up towards the ceiling or sky wherever you are sitting. Bringing in more oxygen into your ribs, into the intercostal muscles, the muscles in between your ribs. Now release, lift up, inhale and exhale, other side. Release the stretch, bring your hand back. Now coming into back side of your mat. Extend your knees wide apart, big toes touching. Bring the arms back, interlace your fingers. Now on your inhale, you are going to lift up your hips, arch your spine. On your exhale, sit down in child's pose. Repeat, inhale, lift your hips, push your hands down, open your chest. On your exhale, come down into child's pose. Two more times. Inhale, lift up, open your chest. Exhale, sit down, child's pose. One more time. Inhale as you lift up, push your hips even further. Drop your head down. And slowly exhale, come all the way down, child's pose. Arms are extended up. Lift yourself. We are going to come into tabletop. Make sure that your shoulders, elbows and wrists are in straight line. Your hips and your knees are in straight line. Now inhale, arch your spine, look up. Exhale, tuck your toes, lift your knees up in downward facing dog. We will repeat a few more times. Inhale, drop down the knees, arch your back. Exhale, round your spine and lift your knees up in down dog. Inhale, arch, drop down the knees. Exhale, round your spine, lift up in down dog. Inhale, come forward, arch your back. Exhale, round your spine, lift up in down dog. Two more times. Inhale, arch your back, lift up. Exhale, round your spine and down dog. One more time, drop down the knees, arch your back. Exhale, round and lift the knees up in down dog. Now just walk your dog on the spot, bending one knee at a time, pressing the opposite heel closer to the mat. Releasing any stiffness from your hamstrings. And now try to drop down both your knees. You may keep a soft bend if you're not able to extend the knees completely. Right leg goes up. Bend the right knee. Stack your hips if you can. Hold. Slowly come back and now drop your leg to the outside of the right leg. Come into lizard. Now bring your right hand on your right knee, push it away, and everyone look over towards the back side of your mat. Looking over towards the right side. Keep holding, keep twisting. Now come back, keep your palm down. You're going to tuck your knees, tuck your toes, lift your back knee up. Keep your hips down, don't lift your hips up so that you can feel the stretch in your hip flexor and psoas. Holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop down the knee, push your hips back and extend the leg. Again, stretching out the back side of your leg. Inhale, come forward. And exhale, back. Inhale as you come forward. Exhale, back. One more time. Inhale as you come forward. Exhale, back. Now this time, see if you can extend the right arm up, hold. Bring the palm down, bend your knee, come into lizard. And now tuck your back toes, lift the back knee, step your leg back. We are going to take vinyasa, drop the knees, chest and chin, upward facing dog, inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. We will repeat on the other side. Now the left leg goes up, bend the knee, see if you can stack your hips. Now come back to center. Step your right leg outside of the left palm. Drop the knee down, come into lizard. Left palm on the left knee, push it away and now look back over to the left side of the mat. Again, keep twisting. See how far you can look back. Now come back, bring the palm down, tuck the back toes, lift the back knee again, hips not lifted too high, keep them low. Now drop the back knee down, push your hips back, extend the knee. Inhale, come forward into lizard. Exhale, go back, get a deep hamstring stretch. Inhale as you come forward into lizard. and exhale back. Inhale, come forward. Exhale back. One more time. Inhale as you come forward. Exhale, push your hips back, hold. Now this time, reach your left arm up. Look up towards the ceiling or sky, wherever you are. Bring the palm down, bend your knee, come into lizard. Now tuck your toes, step your leg back into plank. We are going to take vinyasa. Drop your knees, chest and chin. Upward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hold. Again, stay with your breath. Keep holding. Once again, lift your right leg up, bend the knee, and you're going to flip the dog, lifting the right arm up and back. Open your chest even more. Slowly, you're going to come back in downward dog. We will go on the other side. Downward dog, left leg goes up, bend the knee, flip the dog, come into wild thing, left arm goes up and back. Slowly bring your palm down, come back in downward dog. Now keeping the knees bent, gently walk your hands to the back side of your mat. Come into forward fold. Again, bring your hands behind, interlace, and extend your arms. Stretch it out. Ten more seconds here. Releasing your palms down. Walk your hands slightly forward. Drop the knees down and once again come down at the back side of your mat, sitting in child's pose. Time to relax and breathe. Now in your child's pose, take both your arms to the right side of the mat, stretching out the left side of the body. Keep your chest low as much as you can. Come back to center. And now both your arms to the left side, stretching out the right side of the body. Bringing your arms in front, once again, child's pose. And now roll yourself forward. You're going to come into seated position at the center of your mat. Few times, roll your shoulders up and around. And now reverse. Now bring your hands in prayer. Let's take one last deep breath together. Inhale, arms go up, bring the palms, lift your arms up, pull your arms up even higher. And exhale, hands to your heart. Just wind down to your own heart for this incredible practice today, for showing up. Thank you so much, guys. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and follow me for yoga content. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Namaste.